In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of ads for an hotel. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here you need to click in the video section. Now you have to paste the following prompt, and here, as you can see, we are tagging 3 images. And this is because this prompt adapts the ad for your hotel. So now I'm going to click here, and I'm going to upload 3 images from an hotel. As you can see, these are the images you can see here, and now I'm going to upload it. Perfect. Well, this prompt is going to be in the comment section, and now very important, we're going to settings, and here the model should be Science 2, and the duration 15 seconds. Now we have to click here, and now click in generate. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video, so let's see it. Well, as you can see, the AI used the 3 images I gave to him, and with that, the AI created a very good ad. Then, if you want, you can put music in the background or what you want. And well, if you want to create a video like this one, the prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can try Novoads AI for just $1. And then if you don't like it, you can cancel anytime. Saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.